welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, man. Real quick, man. Y'all can see this the Sebring I've been fighting with for the longest. I finally got it done, guys. Yes, had to tear the whole dash apart. Please watch that video. I'm hoping it's up. I'm gonna try to card it right here. If it's up, it'll be carded right here. But oh, guys, I haven't done one of these in so long. There's 3 bolts. 2 of them are easy to get to. One is down that hold the HVAC housing to the firewall, to the frame, to the car. Oh my goodness, you talking about a pain. Point is, I got it, guys, and my heater is scorching hot. When I say hot, hot, hot. Remember, guys, we're gonna open this up. All right, it's a lot of unanswered questions about heater cores and what it can and can't do. So we're gonna try to clarify some of that. But yes, this is 2.7. Y'all see all the writing on here. This is the engine I put in this car. Guys, it's some customers out there just adamant about their cars. They don't care how old the car is. They don't care what it costs. Do you know how difficult it is to get a used 2.7 liter engine and how much it's going to cost? Oh my goodness. Now, I know I haven't uploaded the engine part of this. But yeah, I put this engine in a while back. Ran into some problems. It had a water pump issue. I replaced all of that on video. I just have to find time to edit it and put it out there for you guys' enjoyment, pleasures. I'm sure you guys love to see me struggle. Yes, but remember, guys, I love what I do. You got to love what you do in order for you to enjoy what you do and be good at what you do. I guess I said that right. All right, let's go down one notch, guys. Hey, what we got here? Y'all can guess this. Y'all probably can guess what he's doing. Probably can guess what it's doing. Although I don't see. I want to say a ticker. Y'all know me. And what I'm doing now is the JT field test. I dubbed it the JT field test, where you can manually test for broken rock arms. But this don't work, guys, if the cam lobe is on the suspected rock arms. In fact, I didn't feel none. So, but that doesn't mean. I don't know what it's saying. It might not be a ticker. It could be some camshaft codes, cam sensor codes. Guys, just because you see a cam sensor trouble code, this is the cam sensor. We talk about this all the time. This sensor monitors both camshaft. Remember, this is a dual overhead cam engine, right? So this cam sensor set right here, and it monitors the rotation of this intake cam and this exhaust cam. And it does some comparison. Sends all that information back to the computer. Well, actually, it's turned like this. But my point is, that doesn't mean that this is bad. Remember what this cam sensor is designed to do. Let the computer know the position of the camshaft. What if these cam phasers are off or internally coming apart? Yes, they could give off some timing discrepancy. Okay? Yeah, cam and crank relationship may be off. My buddy was asking me about that earlier. Now, I'm sure this guy's pretty sharp. I'm sure he's aware of these oil gallery club plugs that tend to just work their way loose. Now look at the different coloration between this head and this head. What is that all about? Okay, was this head already been replaced? Do they have better oil on this side? No, I'm joking, guys. You can't. Whatever oil you put in the engine gonna be evenly dispersed. All right, so that can't be it. I don't know. I don't know why this in. Like I said, it could be camshaft code, and it need phasers, or it could be. It doesn't feel like a ticker, in other words. So I don't know what's. Let me stop speculating, but I'm curious to know why the different discoloration. I see a little coolant down there. Maybe the water pump's starting to leak. I don't know, but interesting. Let's go down a little bit more. Hey, I see a Jeep Wrangler. Uh-oh, this looked like. This is not your typical Pentastar engine. Oh, look what my buddy doing, my Russian buddy. He's over here in the middle of replacing. Ta-da! He's going in with a complete engine, guys. Wow, turbo equipped too. This looks like so much fun. So much fun so that I'm totally not interested. He got enough stuff off this car. I'm not sure this was by design or he was. I don't know. Y'all know these guys, man. These guys. Whew. What y'all think? Does that look like fun? Now, guys, don't, before you start, Chrysler a piece of junk, Jeep a piece of junk, they always replace the engine. We don't know. I don't know why this engine's being replaced. I once threatened to stop doing these because y'all get the wrong impression. Like when I show engines and transmission, everybody seems to yell out, Chrysler piece of junk. So I was like, okay, I ain't doing no more of those. But it's those people that say that already have a problem with the product anyway. So you're never gonna fix them. Okay, so yeah, but this is just for enjoyment purposes. I don't want you to judge the product based off the simple fact we're putting putting the engine in a Jeep Wrangler. Who knows what's the reason? Remember, guys, some of this stuff, some of the damages are self-inflicting. I've replaced 2 engines in Challengers because customers ran through water. The water didn't appear to be high. They figure I can get through there. But the intake that suck in air, that tube is at the bottom. So if that water's standing up a little high, that intake gonna try to suck in that water. You know what happens once water makes it to the combustion chamber center. All right, you can't compress water. So when that piston come up and that water in there, kaboom, that's a wrap. So yeah, be careful how you just judge products. Just because you, like, I took y'all on a little view over there where all them engines and transmission was. First thing in the comment, oh, look at all that PC Chrysler piece of junk. I will never buy a Chrysler. Y'all remember this? Watch this video right here. This the intake off of that Hellcat on that Jeep. I think he came and got his Jeep, his truck. But remember we had the discrepancy about the pulley was oversized. I even had my man This Guy's Garage on. We discussed that. I still got to edit that video and put it up. We discussed how that turbocharger could come apart. I can't pick this up, but yeah, you watch that video and you'll see how this thing disintegrated internally, just busted all apart. And my man that's into hot rods and racing and stuff, Sean at This Guy's Garage, chimed in on a live stream with me one night. And we discussed that and how that can happen. Nitrogen. I'm not a racing fanatic, but it was an interesting conversation. When I get some time, like I say, I'm gonna upload that video. But guys, my time slot has expired. My typical day in the shop time slot. So I'm gonna wrap this up and go back down to my hole, and we're gonna finish this. Actually, I'm done for the day. It's the weekend, guys. So that's all I have, man. Thanks y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all watching the videos. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.